Hello and welcome to another update of the ocean conditions using chlorophyll data from the weekend of October 3rd through 4th, 2025 for the Gulf of America. Overall, the loop current is approximately 85 to 86. We can see that outlined here, so it is relatively far south after shedding two clockwise rotating eddies. About 2 weeks ago, we saw the loop current shed this relatively large eddy. And then again, about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, there was also this smaller eddy here. So this eddy is certainly keeping the loop current to the south there, so we wouldn't expect it to expand north until this one starts drifting to the west. But overall, the loop current down here off of Naples, we can see a relatively nice green to blue edge inshore here off of western Florida, indicating some good conditions for blackfin tuna, possibly dolphin, wahoo, sailfish along that good color edge there. And then a little bit further offshore, we can see this more loop current associated, a little bit cleaner blue water here out along further depths. So the inshore side, that's along 30 to 50 fathoms, certainly again another excellent shot at those tuna, dolphin, wahoo. And then a little bit further offshore, this would be your first shot at billfish out along 100 fathoms or so. And then generally the better conditions here would be to run out to the loop current or to fish this nice clockwise rotating loop current eddy there. Looking north off of the Cape Sandblast area, we can see a nice green to blue edge here inshore. Again, indicating some good conditions there, with a little pocket of this water here also extending to the north into north of the spur area there. Not quite to the nipple, but good conditions inshore as well there, certainly for some blackfin tuna, as well as some shot at tuna, dolphin, wahoo. And then looking further to the west, again, we can see this large clockwise rotating eddy here, loop current associated eddy that's been sitting out here for a little bit. Certainly your best shot for your marlin there. And then inshore also, we've observed this pair of eddies essentially. So we got a large clockwise rotating eddy here, pushing some nice water in right over the 100 fathom break there for some excellent conditions. Right off the Delta and Venice there. And then further west, we've also seen some of this water then in a counterclockwise rotation here, also indicating some action along this nice green to blue edge. And some of that water then also extends north into the Mississippi Canyon area there as well. Looking further to the west, we'll go all the way out over along the Brownsville area up to Aransas Pass here. Significantly cleaner water south of the border here with a large clockwise rotating eddy. But we have observed probably for the past 2 or 3 months this kind of same formation here, where this cleaner blue water extends northwest and then to the east to form a large clockwise rotating eddy here. So good water in over the east breaks and further east there, as well as a large counterclockwise rotating eddy. So this water then rotates south as well inshore, so some good action indicated as well through here. East of this large clockwise rotating eddy, east of the Galveston area here, large offshore flow of green water, generally indicating poor conditions here, pretty much in between Galveston and Port Fourchon or the Venice area here. With these two rotations, all this water, green water, is just going south and offshore out to 1,200 fathoms or so generally poor conditions there. But with that, for the most recent analysis of your area, you can order online at ROFFS.com. You can call us at 321-723-5759, or you can drop us an email at fishing@roffs.com. Thank you very much. Tight lines.